Today we'll be rating Subway Series locations for 2024. Then, to be honest, in 2023, now let's do 2024 locations. Good. This is a pretty good one. I like this one. We all know the underwater is one of the best locations. This is good. Hollywood. It's good. Paris is a good one. This is Celebrate the Olympics, so that's a good one. This is duplicate. Still put it here anyway. This is a good location. Oops, I'm gonna put that here. This one's okay. Vancouver is a good one. Iceland's good. I just put this right here because that's a special event. This is good. And this one goes here. So yeah, that's pretty much Subway Service locations 2024. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Be sure to like and subscribe.